Welcome to my channel, photographers. So today we're going to be talking about how you can take creative portraits with a ring light. A ring light is a versatile tool that can be used in many different ways to add an interesting and new look to your portraits. So let's get started. Side lighting. Position the ring light to the side of your subject, just above the head, and this will create a soft and natural look. And this will highlight the texture and shape of your subject's face.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Front lighting.
You and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil.
Position the light directly in front of your subject, slightly above eye level. This will create bright and even light that will illuminate your subject's face and bring out the colours in their eyes.
Bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of
Beauty lighting.
standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
And this will create a lovely soft light, and it will minimize any imperfections and enhance the subject's features. Three-quarter lighting.
And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing.
Position the light to the side of your subject, but slightly above their head and slightly behind them. This will create a more interesting and dynamic photo, and it will add more depth to your images.
Sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you. It's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded.
And there you have it. Tips on how you can create creative self-portraits with a ring light. And the key to this is just to experiment and have fun. So grab your camera and your ring light and start creating some creative self-portraits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to do with photography.